Alright, so welcome back again. My name is Jesse, and in this wonderful and exciting tutorial, we're trying to see how to use ChatGPT, what everybody's talking about, to be able to build 3 different apps, right? So we will not be doing the code, we're trying to test it from ChatGPT. So let's check it out. So I'll come back here. I'm going to say, okay, ChatGPT. First of all, you have to make sure that you have created an account on it, right? Sign up with your telephone and your details. So write Streamlit App for sentiment analysis, right? With complete code, So let's run it. So it's going to run. So wow, so this is what it's doing. So you're using TestBlob. It was able to identify that TestBlob is a very good app for that. Then it's giving me a very nice code for it. Wow. Well, I'm not typing anything, my hands are up. Wow, that is impressive, very impressive. You can see it well. Then whilst it's doing it, so to use, it's even giving you instructions on how to use the app. Wow, let me bring it down. You can see, wow, that is very cool and very impressive, right? So let's try it out. So I'm just going to go up again. I'm going to copy this here, right, the entire code, go back to my workspace, which is here, which creates a simple app called st app for Streamlit App.py. Then let's open it with VS Code and let's paste it there. So I'm going to go back here and then I'm going to paste the code that we had, right? So this is the code we had from ChatGPT. So that's the code we are using. Yeah, so let's check it out. Perfect, right? So is this right? So now let me see if I go back to it and let's see what it says. To use this app, you will need to install TestBlob with pip install TestBlob, okay? And then to run the app, you just, okay, to run the app, save the code to a file, yeah, which I did not do, and then run it like this. Wow, it's very cool. So let's see. I'll go back again to my workspace, which is here, right? And I'm going to install pip install TestBlob, as they said. So I've already installed it. So I'm just following the instructions. Yeah, this is one that was built already. I'm following the instructions given here, right? And then to run it, just go with Streamlit run. So I'll copy this one and then we will run it. So I'll go back and let's run it. I'm going to paste it here. I changed the name from this to a different name, so we will use a different option, right? So let's go with this option here, which in this case is going to be different. Our app was called st app. It's running it. Wow. Cool. This is very impressive, right? This is very, very impressive. Give us the rating, right? So the app is working, right? Very cool. Now let's do the same thing in another app. So I'll go back again and I'm going to say, okay, that is good. I want you to do the same thing in Flask. So generate, can you generate the same app in Flask free Python, right? So let's see if it's going to be able to do that for us. So it's analyzing it. So this is very impressive and very scary. I hope there are not some people behind it sitting down typing this test. Okay, so it's already doing it here. You can see that it's doing it. Oh, wow. Can you see it? It's actually printing it. Wow. Wait. Whoa. And it's even giving me the HTML aspect of it. What? This is so interesting. Man, this is it's even telling me how to run the app. Whoa. Wow. Whoa, this is cool. This is so cool. It's good we were born in this century. Oh, we thank God we were born in this century. So let me copy this, and then I'll go back again. Let's open another place, and the instruction was to create a file called, let's see the instructions. So we need test blob, we need sentiment HTML, analysis HTML, and then yeah, right. So let's put it inside a file. So I'll go back again. So touch app dot, let's call that Flask app, so that we know that it's different. .py, and then let's open it in Sublime again with VS Code. So this is the Flask app, the same app. I'll paste the code here. So this is the code. Okay, let's do it later. Right, perfect. And it's telling us that we need to let's get the HTML also. So we'll be getting the HTML, which is here. So I'll copy the entire HTML. So copy the HTML and then create a template file and put it there. So I'll go back to here. Let's see. I'm going to create a folder called template. Oh, not this. Let's rename it to template. Then inside it, I'm going to create the file they said, which is sentiment, right? The same name here, sentiment analysis .html, right? And let's paste it here. Perfect. And what was the next instructions? So the next instruction was to run it, right, with this. So Flask run. So before you run it, yeah, you have to, let's see if we go with it to run. I have no idea whether it's going to run, but let's try it out. So I'll go back here, paste it. You need to make sure that you have set the environment right. That is something it missed anyway. Okay, do you want to use it in production? So so it could not locate it, so I have to set it. So set export Flask. So this is the only thing it missed, right? So this is telling us what we have to do. So let's fix it. So Flask underscore app, right? And then yeah, let's run it again. Wow, it's working, right? So our app is working. So let's open it and see. So I'm going to copy this one from here, the one we had, and then let's paste it here. So this is for the one from Streamlit, and let's do another one for the Flask. Wow. So we have been able to build a simple app. So this is cool. So this is so cool. I love it, right? So if I click on analyze, wow, it was able to give us the result, which is very, very, very interesting, right? So with ChatGPT, we have been able to build 2 apps, right? And the complete code and the instructions are out there. So let's try and see if we can do the same thing with Fast API, right? Oh yeah, so let's say, can you generate the same in Node.js? Let's see. So let's see whether to do the same. Let's give it. Oh, let's see whether to be able to give us the same thing for Node.js. Oh, it's using natural. Wait, how did it know that natural is good for sentiment analysis? Wow, this is interesting. This is interesting. Wow. So it's generating actual code that will run. Wow. This is so cool. This is so cool. Right, so you have seen how to use ChatGPT to be able to build at least a useful app in Streamlit, in Flask, and even in Node.js. Let's see whether we can do the same thing in. So it's giving me even the HTML for it, for the front end. Let's see if you can do the same thing for a language that is difficult. Yeah. Let's do the same thing for Carbon, right? Let's see if we can do the same thing in Carbon. because Carbon is a very recent language, so it's still giving me all the instructions for everything. Whoa. Let's go down. Perfect. Let's see the same, if we can do the same thing. This is Carbon. Okay, Carbon language. Yeah, that's the name of the language. It's a new language, experimental successor to C++. So let's see if the model was trained on Carbon. Say, can you generate the same in Carbon language? Let's see whether it will work. Oh boy. What? Wait. How? Wait, how is it doing it? Wait, I think this is not right. Wait, will this work? Hey, anybody that knows Carbon, let me know if this will work. I'll put the code in the comment section to see if it works. This is amazing. Let's see the same, if we can do the same thing in Julia. Can you do the same in Julia programming language? Let's see. So you see that the word sure here is I think this is something that's identified as very common. Wait, it's giving me the same thing in Julia. Whoa, this is interesting. This will work. This will work. Whoa, that is interesting. Whoa, is it Flux? Wait, are there people behind doing this thing? Wait, how is it working? This is interesting. Anyway, that is something that you have seen with ChatGPT. I don't know how the future is going to be, but I hope you have seen the power of it. Let me see your opinion. Let me see what you can do with it. See you another time. Stay blessed. Bye. Wait, before we go, let me give you the hard question, right? Can you save all the code in their respective downloadable zip file? Right, let's see what I can do. I'm giving you something hard. Oh, wait. Oh my god. Wait. Oh, this is unbelievable. Well, we thank God we were born in this generation. Whoa, let's see if we can actually download it. Okay. Wait, I think we can download it. Oh, no such bucket. Of course there's no such bucket. But it's impressive. At least it was able to compile them perfectly well. The only option is I can't download it. Yeah. Let's see if I can save the link as. Wait, I can download it. Wait. It's working. Wait, let's check it out. Let's open. Yeah. Oh, did not work. Yeah, we will figure it out. Yeah, I've gone back again and I've taken the code. I'm putting it here, right? So that you can see. So let's extract it here. Oh, okay, there was an error. Yeah, but this is impressive. Wow. Wow. Okay, bye.